Dear all, welcome to Reboot Training. This is the fourth module in the series. You have gone through three modules, that is daily care, then color setup, and both side adjustment. So, in this module, what we are going to do, we are going to prepare ourselves for faster machine operations, machine rebooting after lockdown. So, first we summarize what we have done till now. First is daily care, which you have gone through the first training. Uh, in daily care, we learned how to clean the entire machine area, the ADU unit, main body trays, main body unit, then multi-bypass tray, paper feeder unit, and large capacity unit. If you have RU and finisher, then how to clean RU and finisher, the scanning unit, and all. So in this training, you have gone through all these things, the timing and requirement and how to do the cleaning part, to clean all the rollers, all the paper path area. Then you have gone through the quality adjustment, that is color setup. So how to do the quality adjustment once you switch on the machine is to do the gamma automatic adjustment, then density balance adjustment, and density balance adjustment with the i1 Pro or with FD5BT, and for AccuRepress density balance auto adjustment. Then how to do maximum density adjustment and how to execute calibration. The timing and the sequence, that is more important. So timing is like if you are doing 2000 plus sprints per day, then the requirement for calibration is on daily basis. Uh, Next, you have gone through the both side adjustment. Uh, this is to match your front back registration. Uh, so in both side adjustment, how to do front side adjustment, how to do back side adjustment, and how to do gap adjustment. Then for AccuRepress series, how to do rotate and skew adjustment, and finally scan measurement. After that, in this module, we will learn how to make machine ready after lockdown in a short period of time without any external support. So what we need to do once we enter the premises after lockdown is over, then we need to check the machine surroundings for any damages in power cord or Ethernet cable or any presence of rats near the machine. If you find any presence of rats inside the machine, then please don't switch on the machine. Please call engineer to check the machine thoroughly. So after checking the surroundings, you need to check the power conditions. You can take help of your local electrician to check power conditions. The main check is phase to neutral voltage and earth to neutral voltage. Phase to neutral voltage should not be more than 230 volt AC, and earth to neutral voltage should not be more than 2 to 3 volts. So after checking power conditions, please turn on the AC and make the room ready for machine operations. After switching on the AC, let the room temperature come down and start cleaning start cleaning the machine by following the daily care procedure. So So during cleaning, you can check all these rat presence or anything. If it nothing is there, so then you just clean the entire machine using daily care procedure. Then we can switch on the machine with the from main power and then sub power switch. After switching on the machine, first we need to run gamma automatic adjustment. Then we need to do color setup complete, and then we can take out some prints to check if machine is working perfectly okay. Then we can go for both side adjustment. So after completing all these activities, your machine is ready for production. So this training is all about how to make your machine ready in a faster manner after the lockdown is over. Uh, thanks for attending the meeting. Uh, thanks for attending.